Hi there. Thank you for watching this short clip about the curriculum and the Art Marketing Mastery Workshop. I created it and I'm amazed at how much content there is here. So let's look. That's one screen, two screens, three screens, four screens, five screens, six screens, seven screens, eight screens, nine screens, 10 screens, 11 screens, 12 screens, 13 screens, 14 screens, 15 screens, 16 screens. That's a lot of content. I don't expect you to get through all of it quickly. That's why you get lifetime access to the course. And you will be able to come back and revisit everything that's in here over and over again, making you stronger and smarter each time you do.